Hello students, good evening to all of you. Today we will solve one of the problem based on the mole concept. Let's see. 22.4 liters of water vapors at NTP when condensed to water occupies an approximate volume of A option 18 liter, B 1 liter and C 1 milliliter and D 18 milliliter. So students, let's see what are the conditions are given in this question and what is being asked in this question. Okay, so here it is given, this is the water vapors are given. So water vapors are given how much? 22.4 liter. This is the totally closed, this container is closed, not opened. So 22.4 liter of water vapors are present, and it is asked, that is when it is going to condense, when it is being condensed, after condense it will convert into the water. So what will be the volume? What will be the volume of water volume? So let's see. As we know that here the condition is given 22.4 liter of water vapors at NTP when condensed to water occupies an volume of. So here as we know that at 1 mole of volume of 1 mole of a gas at NTP equal to 22.4 liter. How much? 22.4 liter. So, or you can say that 22.4 liter will be occupied, 22.4 liter will be occupied by 1 mole of water vapors at NTP. Okay, so here as we know that 1 mole equal to, as we know that 1 mole of water equal to 18 gram. Why? 1 mole of anything will be equal to the, its atom is, if it is the atom, it will be equal to the atomic mass. If it is the molecule, it will be equal to the molecular mass. Or you can say that molar mass of 1 mole of H2O equal to 18 gram. Okay. Now it is being said in the question, that is 22.4 liter of water vapors at NTP when condensed to water. It means that vapors are going to convert into the water by condensation process. So here mass of 1 mole of water vapor equal to mass of 1 mole of water. Both condition will be the remain the same. So as we know that density equal to mass upon volume, and density of water equal to 1 gram per milliliter. So here what we have to calculate, that is volume equal to mass upon density. So mass of the water is 18 gram and density equal to 1 gram per milliliter. After solving you will get volume equal to how much? 18 milliliter. So this will be the answer, students. So hope you got the concept. Option number D is the correct one. So 18 milliliter will be the answer. Thank you.